Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the Unconventional Attorney. Today I want to talk to you about how often you should be creating content. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you are confused by this whole content creation process, if you are not sure how to even make a video, if you're not sure how to do Google ads, if you're not sure how to do whatever, and you want to know that, and you want to hang out with me every week live, go to lawyersanctuary.com. I put together all my systems, all my training, everything in one spot, and you can have it for less than a cup of coffee per day. LawyerSanctuary.com. Okay, now I get this question all the time. How often should I be creating content? And the question is, it depends. It depends on many, many different things. The biggest thing it depends on is how fast do you want to go? The faster you want to go, the more content you should create. I have a goal of creating a piece of content every single day. Now, do I reach that goal every day? No, I don't. Sometimes I don't do it. Sometimes I get too busy. Sometimes I'm tired. Very rarely do I run out of ideas. But I am trying to create a new piece of content every single day. I will say, when it comes to this, it helps that I have a system on the back end where literally all I have to do is create this video. I just did my law firm video right before this on estate planning for non-citizen spouses. Just to give you some context, all I had to do is record that video, and it turns into a YouTube video. It turns into a captioned LinkedIn video. It turns into a captioned Instagram video. It gets put on my website. It becomes a podcast, and it lives here as well. When you have those systems and processes in place, creating content every day becomes easier. I can tell you though, I did do it when it was just me and I was doing the same amount of content. It just took me more time. But the commitment and the payoff for doing this kind of stuff is real. People will sign up. I had 6 potential client meetings today. Oh, were they all great? No, but they never are. I did sign up a couple of people, and you can have similar results, whether you are in estate planning or bankruptcy or criminal defense or personal injury or what else is there? Immigration, family law. I've seen it work for everyone, and there are people in the sanctuary that are in all of those groups, and the ones that are creating content and sort of following through are the ones that are seeing results, and you can too. So the answer is as much as possible. I would do it at least 2 or 3 times a week, and I would try to work my way up to doing it every single day. The easiest way to do that is to build in systems and processes on the back end that allow you to utilize this content once it's been created, because I will also say this, just creating it on Facebook and leaving it here like this as a video is not enough. I'm not hoping that all of you guys go to lawyersanctuary.com and sign up right now. I'm not, I don't have those kind of crazy ideas. I'm letting you know about it, but then when it goes to YouTube, when it goes to podcasts, when it goes everywhere else, that's when it shows up and it comes around and people come and check it out. And if you're not in, by the way, you should be. It's amazing, but that's maybe a story for a different day. So create as much as you can. Don't create excuses for why you cannot. You have enough time. You have the technical chops. You have the money. You have everything to create content consistently and voluminously. You just have to commit is what the word I'm looking for. So commitment is the word of the day, and consistency. Don't make 5 pieces of content and then quit for a month. That doesn't work. Every day, all day, as much as you can, but consistently. I would prefer that you do 1 a week for a year than that you do 10 and then you stop. 10 and then you stop. You just don't get as much traction that way. All right? Plus, you get better the more that you do. Okay, that's it, I think, for today. Once again, I am Christopher Small. I'm the Unconventional Attorney. I hope this helped. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you can. If you're somewhere where you can leave a comment and you have a question, leave them. If you are listening someplace that you can subscribe, please subscribe. And if you are not a part of the sanctuary and you want all of my systems, you want all of my processes, you want my, everything, Facebook ads, Google ads, networking, active email, whatever. All of it's all in there. And every week I come in live and I teach you some more stuff. It's amazing. LawyerSanctuary.com to check that out. Otherwise, thank you again for your time, for your attention. I appreciate all of you. I hope your law firms are killing it, and I will be here again to talk to you tomorrow. See ya.